In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on your computer using Lumin PDF and Google Drive. If you've ever needed a simple and reliable way to mark important text, add notes, or study directly from a PDF, this method is perfect for you. So get comfortable and let's walk through each step together. First, open Google Drive. You can do this by typing Google Drive into your browser search bar or going directly to drive.google.com. Once the Drive homepage loads, you'll see all of your stored files, including any PDFs you want to annotate. Next, find the PDF file you want to highlight. When you locate it, right-click on the file. A small menu will appear offering different options. Hover over the option that says Open with another side menu will appear, showing you the various apps available for opening your PDF. Select Lumin PDF from the list. If it's your first time using Lumin PDF, you may be asked to grant permissions. Simply choose the Google account you want to use and click Continue. Google may then ask you to confirm that Lumin PDF can access your Drive review, the permissions, and click Select All to approve them. Then continue. After this, your PDF will automatically open in Lumin PDF in a new tab. Once the file loads, look for the highlight tool in the toolbar. It usually looks like a small marker icon. Click this icon to activate highlighting mode. With the tool turned on, scroll through your document to find the text you want to highlight. Then click and drag your cursor across the words. As soon as you release the mouse, the text will appear highlighted. This process is quick and you can repeat it as many times as needed. Highlighting is extremely useful for studying, reviewing contracts, preparing reports, or organizing your reading materials. By using Lumin PDF through Google Drive, all your highlights stay saved and synced, making it easy to return later and continue right where you left off. You can also explore additional tools inside Lumin PDF, such as comments, shapes, underline, or text boxes. These tools let you add more context to your documents, making them more useful and interactive. Everything you annotate is automatically stored in Drive, so you never have to worry about losing your work. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to highlight PDFs using Lumin PDF and Google Drive. Feel free to pause or rewind the video if you want to follow along step by step. I hope this tutorial helps you improve your workflow and makes working with PDFs much easier. Thanks for watching and happy highlighting.